have many design tools which are also available like render forest. Powtoon is for the common student or any teacher who want to use animation into his slides. But this render forest is not available free of cost. Here you have video, website, logo, mockup and graphic, which is very powerful than the Powtoons. Powtoon is a basic version, but here the animation is much more greater, and you have the Powtoon cost $25 for month. Per month you have to give $25. But render forest is far more expensive. So what is the way that a common person can access this Powtoon? So for that, there is a interactive multimedia instructional package which the EduStat company has developed, and we call it by the name IISPD. You see, what is the simplest form of it is developed by EduStat. You have a trial link version which is available, and here I would like to share with you the trial version. See, you in your chat box I am going to put up a link from where you can download the trial version. See, if you go here, you can get the trial version downloaded, which will work for 4 days. In your computer, you may download this trial version. Then we shall move forward. The computer must be above Windows 8.1. There are certain specifications which has to be followed, which I will say now. If your computer doesn't fall into those specifications, this will not work. See, like IISP can be used for developing the India interactive multimedia instructional packages very easily. This is the features of IISP. Up to 5 subtopics can be included in one instructional package. In a single instructional package, you will be able to imbibe 5 subtopics. Like this, you can click and download the IISPD from the drive link I have given. Then you can just give download anyway. It's an executable file that will be downloaded into your computer. Hope you are downloading it. Once you download, then we shall go further. Here in IISPD, the thing is that we have 5 subtopics that can be given to an instructional package. For each subtopic, you can include text, pictures, animations, and videos. You have separate windows to insert text, pictures, and animation. You may embed your videos also. You may embed your text also. You may embed your pictures also in the left hand window, and in right hand window you can insert the videos. And for student assessment, there is a possibility of multiple choice and short answer questions which you can provide for each subtopic. The particular thing about IISPD is that you don't require a great amount of application skills. You don't need to know about the software. Only the basic knowledge of using computer, anybody can prepare e-content. This is the biggest advantage of this IISPD. The minimum system requirement for IISPD to run is RAM 512 MB. Minimum disk space should be 4.5 GB. When you have this much space only, you can think of running an animation software. And the operating system should be Windows 8.1 or above. And you also require Microsoft .NET Framework 4.7.2 or higher to be able to run this system. Once you have downloaded, you can just keep this file. Then from here, you can just show in folder. And once you get it shown in folder, see a hat will appear. Possibly you are seeing my screen. And from here you can just right click and run as administrator. It will say that don't run like that. It will come because the Windows platform suggests not to run such programs. You can click more info and click run anyway. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Huh. So once you run it, it will ask, do you want to make changes to this computer? You allow, yes. And you can accept the agreement terms which are coming up. And you will be asked a password. For this, here I have told you these are the minimum requirements that you require. Then coming to there is a paid license of 1 year. The trial version is for 4 days, as I said, and it's limited validity. The installation, enter the password 14809. This is the password which you have to enter. And click next. Then you can install it anywhere in your C drive or D drive or any drive which has a lot of space. Then just create a desktop shortcut and click next and install. The installation of the software will begin. And again you will click next and click finish. See, now once you have done this, you will have that software in your desktop. You will have that software in your desktop because you have given it as desktop icon. See here, it will be here. Are you able to see my desktop?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Then here you will see that IISPD is here. Then right click and here also run as administrator. Then again a window will pop up asking that do you want this unknown publisher to make changes to your device. Then here you will give yes and the system will begin to run the application. Let us stop with this and we will go back to our slide. Once you reach this page, once you run as administrator, now what you have to do is you have your product ID which is visible to you on the screen. From here you have to select this product ID, copy it and send to this number. There is a mobile number given on your screen. You have to send this product ID to this mobile number to get an serial number to activate your software. Okay, you can copy this and send to this mobile number. You will get a serial number to start your software. Since it will take a lot of time, I am returning to my PowerPoint itself. And once you have done this, it's very easy. I will show you in my slides what has to be done later. And once you see these slides, you will be able to make it. See, you will come to a page like this. Once this product ID is given and you once activate your IISPD, you will come to a page like this where you can name the package and also you can give the number of subtopics and you can also give the detailed description of what are your subtopics here. Then you can select whether there is any text in the first subtopic. You have to just click here, it will be selected by a tick mark. Likewise, if there is a video in your first subtopic, you can click on the video, the checkbox just near to the video, you can click and it will be selected. You will go on selecting for the first subtopic. For the first subtopic, if there is text, video and multiple choice question, which will be given as an analysis for the learner, you can select these checkboxes. Likewise, think that subtopic 2 has only test, then I will select only this box. For subtopic 3, if I have text, video and short answer, I will select text column, video column by checking it and then short answer questions column. Similar way, the subtopic 4 can also be done, and the same way, maximum possible subtopics are only 5. That means you consider if it is a chemistry class, you will take a 8th standard textbook from where you will teach about chemical reaction. Then you can give what is chemical reaction, that can be given as your text 1. And the different examples of any number of tests can be. This test can run to different pages, no problem. There is no limitation for amount of text you insert. And video content you can insert. You can embed it along with the text, or you may give it in the window which will appear in the next screen. And here multiple choice questions can also be